Hi everybody, it's Lauren from Lala's Cuts. I wanted to make a video to show you how to make a hair mask. So you'll need 5 ingredients: bananas, mayo, olive oil, eggs, and coffee. I suggest using coffee if you have brown hair. If you do not have brown hair, maybe use a peppermint or a chamomile tea so that you don't color your hair at all. So you're going to need those 5 things, and I will show you in the next video how to mix them up. But you use those 5 ingredients, mix them up, and then you'll have a hair mask. And you want to use about a half a cup of each item and then 2 eggs. So I did it, and my hair is so shiny from it. I just love it. Like, it's amazing, and it strengthens your hair when you have like colored hair, and really for any hair. But yeah, they used to do a lot of this back in the day in the 70s. Like, my mom told me, she's like, I would use eggs and beer, but I'm not going to do the beer part in this one. Not everybody drinks and enjoys the smell of beer, but yeah, those 5 things and your hair will be super shiny. I'll also do a tutorial on how to blow out your hair with the right round brush, but that's to come. So everybody stay safe and healthy, stay home. We're all in this together, and please follow Lala's Cuts on Instagram as well as lalascuts.com for any other information and any hair products you might need. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.